Assalamu alaikum, little friends. Today, Maryam and Muhammad are at home.
Should we watch TV?
Or play games. But wait! The room is messy, and the family needs help.
Muhammad, look! Mama is working. Let's help before screen time.
Maryam and Muhammad become busy bees at home.
Buzz, buzz, helper hands. Work first, screen later.
Mission 1. Clean the toys.
Dolls go in the basket. Blocks go in the box. Books on the shelf. Cars in the parking line.
When toys have a home, the room looks neat and safe.
Wow, my little helpers cleaned so nicely.
We are busy bees. Work first, screen later.
Mission 2. Fold small towels and match socks.
Can you help with these? Yes, Mama. We can do small jobs.
Fold, fold, press. Match, match, yes! My towel is ready. 2 socks together. Buzz, buzz!
Dinner is almost ready. Can my helpers set the table?
I will place napkins. I will place spoons.
They walk slowly and carefully.
Safety first. 1 napkin here, 1 spoon there. We are careful helpers.
Can someone bring my glasses, please?
I will bring them gently. I will bring your water carefully.
Helping elders is kind and respectful. Thank you, my sweet busy bees.
You're welcome, Grandma. Uh-oh, shoes are everywhere. Someone can trip. Let's fix it.
Mission 4. Make a shoe line.
Big shoes here, small shoes there. Clean home, safe home. Clean home, safe home.
Now can we watch TV? Yes, but only after asking Mama and Baba. Good kids balance helping, learning, and playing. I am proud of you both.
You used your time in a good way.
Helping family feels nice.
Better than wasting time.
Great job, little friends.
Be busy bees at home wisely. Like, follow, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.